Imagine this. How would it feel if your life completely changed in just 7 days? Guaranteed, you would feel more confident, more powerful, and unstoppable, right? Well, that is exactly what is going to happen after watching this video. Over the next few minutes, I will share 5 powerful steps that you can follow for the next 7 days to transform your life, whether you feel weak, distracted, or stuck right now. By following these 5 simple steps, you will rebuild your focus, confidence, and control. Just try them for 7 days and you will feel the change. When that happens, come back to this video and thank me because your life will be on a completely new path. Now, challenge yourself to focus completely for the next 7 to 8 minutes. Stay with me because this will make a big difference in the next 70 years of your life. Let us start. Step 1. Turn off your phone and screen and get your mood on. The first thing you do when you wake up is check your phone. The last thing you do before going to sleep is look at your phone. You might not realize it, but your phone is a huge barrier in your life. If you do not believe it, check how much time you spend on your phone each day. If it is more than 2 to 3 hours, you are in trouble. Spending hours staring at a screen is the main reason you cannot focus for more than 15 minutes. It is also why your sleep is bad, you feel tired, and you always feel low energy. If you want to improve your life, start by turning off your phone. For the next 7 days, try to keep your phone away. It will boost your focus, improve your mental and physical health, and make you feel better overall. Step 2. Practice no FAP. You might have heard about no FAP and wondered if it really works. The best way to find out is by trying it yourself. When you practice no FAP, you gain control over your mind and body. If you have been wasting time on bad habits, now is the time to change. For the next 7 days, avoid anything related to porn or masturbation. This will help you stay focused, feel more energized, and build stronger self-control. Step 3. Master your time. If you feel like you are wasting time, remember, it is not the time that is the problem. It is how you use it. Everyone has the same 24 hours, but some people use it better than others. Stop procrastinating. If you cannot manage your time, things will never improve. Time is valuable, and if you do not take control of it, you will fall behind in life. So, for the next 7 days, plan everything. Set specific times for when to work, study, eat, and sleep. Make sure to focus on your most important tasks in the first 4 hours of the day. This is when you have the most energy and focus. Step 4. Don't overthink, just do. A lot of people think a lot, but do nothing. This is a big problem. You waste time thinking instead of acting. Imagine holding a glass of water. At first it feels light, but if you hold it for an hour, it becomes heavy. If you hold it all day, it feels like the heaviest thing in the world. This is what overthinking does to you. The more you think, the more tired and stressed you feel. So whenever you catch yourself overthinking, stop. Take 5 seconds, count down from 5, and get back to what you were doing. Stay busy with your tasks, and your overthinking will reduce. Step 5. Become mindful. The last thing you need to do is practice mindfulness. If you want to stop overthinking and gain full control of your life, mindfulness is the key. A study showed that people who practice mindfulness can actually change their brain. It makes them more focused, less stressed, and more aware of themselves. For the next 7 days, start practicing mindfulness. Try to be fully present in whatever you do, whether it is working, eating, or even relaxing. Follow these 5 steps for the next 7 days, and I promise you will see a big change. Stay focused, take action, and keep going. If you want to transform your life in just 7 days, you need to build 2 key things: discipline and attitude. If you want to become the most disciplined person, click on the video on the right. And if you're ready to boost your attitude to the next level, click on the video on the left. I'll see you there.